wrong? Would he laugh it off? Or would he take the side of the offended friend and reject the other friend?
I get my answer. All right, let me have my board. Okay. Kurt, what would you do?
Laugh it off.
You just laugh it off. Congratulations, you're going. Very nice. Yeah. Cool. Very nice. Take a seat. Okay, moving right along. That's better. Now, that's what I want to see happening. I want to see white chairs here. Are you cool? Are you nervous? What are you going to go for? You going to go for me?
I'll go for Jim.
You're going to go for Jim? You go that side, Jim. Come this side, my brother. Good luck, yeah? Good luck. Question, Tim. Thank you very much. Now, if Kirk wants to date a beautiful girl, you know, this girl that he likes, and he wants to date her, like he sort of likes her, and what do you think his approach would be? I mean, you know this guy. You talk about girls all the time.
You know what I'm saying? I'm sure you've seen Kirk putting the Mac down. You should know what kind of approach he takes when he's trying to Mac a girl. So here are your options. Would Kirk be discreet and romantic? Would he be abrupt and rushed? Or would he be strategic with an international flair? How would Kirk put the Mac down?
All right? Now, if you don't get this one, I don't understand. I don't know. You guys are not friends. I mean, everybody. It's very normal that guys talk about girls and girls talk about guys. Even if you haven't seen him go for a girl, but you sort of have an idea as to what kind of a person he is and how would you approach a girl. How would you do?
Abrupt and rushed.
Abrupt and rushed. Nice one. Abrupt and rushed. Yep. Nice one. Alrighty, moving right along. Lynx. Who?
Dubs.
You're gonna go for Dubs as well? Okay, Lynx go that side. Dubs come this side, my brother. All right, questions? In one of them? All right, now, what is Lynx most likely to do? If you guys go out drinking together, you go out drinking together, no? Just going out for drinks. What is he most likely to do if you have offered to pay? Now, you have offered to pay, you're going out together, drinking.
Now, come on, Dubs. I'm sure you cats have gone out drinking enough times together. If someone else was paying, what would your boy do? Would he drink as much as he could? Would he go easy and just chill? Or would he pay for his own drinks? So now, if you went out drinking and you've offered to pay for his drinks, would he just drink as much as he could? Would he go easy on it? Or would he actually pay for his own drinks?
Come on, sir. This should be very easy. I mean, boys, you guys are fellas. You live together all the time. You know, I'm sure you probably do this every weekend. What would you do, though?
Drink as much as you can.
Drink as much as you can. Oh, take this in. Thank you. Yeah, what?
That's obvious.
Moving right along. Dubs, your turn now, my brother. Who?
Olivia.
Vice versa. Okay, Dubs that side, Lynx this side. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Now, he's gotten you going. He's done you the favor. You got to return the favor, yeah? It's like artists. When somebody features them in a song, they have to return the favor and feature back. Question, Tim. Thank you very much. All right. Okay. Now, if Dubs could be in the South African cabinet, yeah? Like Parliament cabinet, what portfolio do you think he'd want?
You can imagine Dubs in cabinet, nah? Would he be the Minister of Health? the Minister of Sport, or the Minister of Finance? Bling bling. If he could choose, that is, his position in cabinet, what would it be?
Just write it down. Yeah, I'll write it down in huge letters. Got my answer? All right. Give it to me. Okay, I remember years ago, Jane Naidu was once minister without portfolio. But anyways, Debs, what's your answer?
I'd say Minister of Finance.
In your Baba, Minister of Finance. I mean, obviously, you guys work at the bank. Obviously, I mean, Minister of Finance. Alrighty, now going to the last person, Jem. Now, there's 4 white chairs here. I'm so proud of you guys. You're doing very well. It hasn't happened in a while. It hasn't happened in a while, but you guys might just do it. It's about to happen. I don't know. We're about to find out just now. Now, listen. You gotta choose carefully because whoever you choose has to get you going. Because if you're not going, you're gonna have to get into all or nothing. And you guys might just lose the trip because of one guy. If you get into all or nothing, you might lose. You never know. Just make sure whoever you choose, it's somebody that really knows you well. Who's that person gonna be?
Well, it'll have to be Kirk.
Are you sure, Kirk?
Kirk knows me.
Showcase. No doubt.
Hopefully.
Make no mistakes.
What?
Alrighty? You go that side. Kirk, come join me, my brother. Come, my brother. Come. Tim Salzo, questions. Yo. Tim, you're cool. I mean, we spoke. We agreed. We're not going to ask him this question. Why? Anyways, okay. What type of person is Jem most likely to go out with?
Now, you should know Germ's track record. Maybe Germ's not too proud of his track record, but which one of these would he be most likely to go out with? A rich girl, a funny girl, or a very attractive girl? Where do his priorities lie? A rich girl, a funny girl, or an attractive girl? Which girl is Germ most likely to go out with?
You got my answer?
Yeah.
Righty, bring it over here. Germ, you get this right, you all going. You're joining me and the rest of the other winners guaranteed on the cruise and great time, awesome time, drinking spree or whatever. Responsibly though. And you might just meet the girl of your dreams, who knows? I mean, that ship is going to be full of beautiful girls. I guarantee you that. You get this right, you're all going. Mzansi, let's find out if these guys are going to get straight 5 white chairs. It hasn't happened in a while in our show. Tim, man, let's find out, Miauti. Jem, what's your answer?
I'd have to go for attractive, huh?
Attractive! Yeah! Congratulations to the guys who've done so well. Tough luck to the girls though. But guys, the cruise ship, they got the prize. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Young man, you're telling us like a school, and I said, we love you guys. Sure. Nice one, Chance. Nice, very nice. Nice. You killed it. No, it's a date. You and me, it's a date. It's a date, bro. It's a date. No, definitely.